Hi everyone, Stacy here with Usborne Books and More, and I've got some books to show off today that are all about what your kids might want to be when they grow up. If your kids are starting to get to that age where they're starting to talk about what they might want to be and they're starting to do some dreaming, these books would be amazing for them. So I'm going to start out with a favorite from our house. This is 365 Science Activities, and this is an amazing gift for the whole family. It's a gift for your kids because the activities are so much fun, but it's a gift for you too because it uses things that you're going to find all around your house. There's no special ingredients that you're going to have to go search for. Most of the things that you're going to need for these experiments are all around your home. So one of the things that we love is this foaming fizz experiment where we add baking soda to vinegar and different liquids to see what happens in different colors. Super fun. My boys are in love with this one. Another really fun one is doing invisible ink with lemon juice. Let's see, another good example, magnets and air power. There are so many really fun, simple activities that are going to teach your kids basic principles of science. Really highly recommend it for your budding scientist. If your kids are starting to learn about coding at school, this book is a tremendous asset. This is Coding for Beginners using Scratch. We also have Coding for Beginners using Python, which is a different programming language. But I love this book because it sets up kids to learn about the basic principles of coding just by having fun with it. So if we look at the table of contents, there's all these different games and projects that your kids can do using Scratch that are going to help them get comfortable with the basics, and it kind of walks them through step by step so that they can figure out how this all works. This is great for a child who is 9 years and up, who's starting to get interested in computers and coding. For the younger set, we have Look Inside How Computers Work. This is one of our famous flap books. Our Look Inside series is really fun because it features flaps inside of flaps inside of flaps. So we have these flaps here talking about the trackpad, then we fold down the entire keyboard and we start looking at the innards of a computer, how RAM works. These are amazing. One of the other things that I like is that it talks about what happens when your computer turns on. That's something that I did not know before. It also talks about how the internet works, who invented the World Wide Web, all sorts of really fun stuff. This is Look Inside How Computers Work for kids age 5 and up. Lastly, I'm so excited to talk to you guys about these. These just started coming out last year in the fall, and they are our Academy series. It started out with the Astronaut Academy, but we also have now added Vet Academy, Engineer Academy, and Architect Academy. And these books are designed to take your kids through different modules. It's kind of like a set of challenges. They're going to help them learn the basics of what they want to know if they were going to do this job. So in Architect Academy, for example, there's all these different modules that kids can do and different ways that they can utilize architecture. So drawing floor plans, drawing homes, drawing offices, how to create bridges, how construction works, how to use the math that would be necessary for construction projects. This is amazing, and each one features a giant fold-out poster and a game as well. So these are famous pieces of architecture in the timeline of when they were built. So each of these books has that component to it where it has the giant fold-out poster. Each one has a press-out model. Each one has different achievements that they can earn all throughout the book. If you have a child like my 4-year-old, I can't wait for him to be old enough for this book because he's a budding engineer already. These books will be great, and these are for kids age 7 and up. Thank you so much for watching.